Hi, my name is Dr. Kingsley Jose Ago. Last week, we talked about conversion because attention alone does not build a business. Many ideas attract views, traffic, downloads, and followers. But a business only begins when people take action, when they sign up, when they try the product, and when they pay. But even conversion is not the end of the journey. This week, we are talking about retention because getting a customer once is not enough. Real businesses grow when people come back again and again. Retention simply means that people continue using your solution because it consistently delivers value. If someone tries your product once and never returns, the business becomes expensive to sustain. You must constantly spend time attracting new people just to replace those who leave. But when people return regularly, something powerful happens. Trust begins to build. User becomes familiar with the system. They begin to depend on it. And gradually, their solution becomes part of their daily or weekly routine. That is when a real platform begins to form. Many of the world's most successful platforms did not grow because millions of people tried them once. They grew because people kept coming back again and again and again. Retention usually happens when three things are present. First, the problem is real and recurring. Second, the solution continues to make life easier. Third, the experience is reliable enough that users trust it. When these conditions are present, people return naturally. This is why retention should always be considered when designing a solution. You must ask yourself, will people need this again tomorrow, next week, next month? Or is it something they will use once and forget? The strongest businesses are built around repeating behavior. Transportation, communication, payments, food, services, and agriculture. These are areas where people interact with solutions repeatedly, and that repetition is what creates stability for the business. Something encouraging is also happening within this training. Some participants are already applying these ideas in real-world problems. One idea is addressing sustainability challenges around plastic waste in Nigerian cities, exploring how structured systems can transform that problem into an opportunity. Another idea is focused on problems around relationships and marriages, where trust and structure have increasingly become challenges across many communities. And the most recent idea focuses on agriculture and digital farm management, exploring how farmers could better manage their operations and connect more efficiently with buyers through structured digital tools. What is important here is not the specific idea itself. What matters is the process. Observe the problem, validate the behavior, design a clear solution, create a path for people to take action, and then build a system that encourages people to return and keep using it. That is how sustainable businesses are built. And if you are following this training and identifying real problems around you, you are welcome to reach out for guidance and validation. Many strong ideas begin as a simple observations. So when you design your solution, always ask one important question. Why will people come back? Because the businesses that survive are not the ones people try once. They are the ones people return to regularly. That is where stability begins, and that is where real growth happens. Next week, we will talk about trust and reputation, because even when people return, a business must earn credibility over time. That credibility is what turns a useful service into a trusted platform. That is how real systems are built, and that is how real businesses